Philip's Thoughts. Today we are going to go ahead and make an omelet. We're going to do a quick and easy omelet today. And for this one, I've got 2 slices of bacon that I've diced up. And this is all going to be done in one pan. So we're going to get the bacon frying up. And depending on how much fat your bacon has, that may be all the fat we need for this omelet. And while that's going, I'm going to take 3 eggs and I'm going to add some salt and pepper to these and get these whisked up. And I currently have this over a medium heat. And while we're waiting for that to cook, what I've got going on here today, we're going to put in our omelet, is I've got some sweet peppers. These are little sweet peppers off of our deck garden. Got some red onion diced up, got a couple mushrooms I've diced up, and some tomato to go with our bacon. Okay, so that's starting to brown up nicely. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add our onion and the pepper, because those are going to take longer to cook. And I don't want to make these mushy, but I do want to get them warmed up and get the natural sugars coming out on the veggies there. The tomatoes and mushrooms, those won't take near as long, so hold those back for right now. Now I've let those saute for a couple minutes, stirring occasionally. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the mushrooms. These are just a couple baby portobello mushrooms, but you can use whatever mushrooms you like. After all, it is your omelet. Oh, and I did forget, I wanted to add a little bit of fresh spinach, so I've just got some baby spinach leaves here. I'm just going to go ahead and tear these up a little bit and throw them in. And then we'll toss the tomatoes on top of that. And those are just some little diced up cherry tomatoes, but you can use whatever tomatoes you have on hand. In fact, this is an easy, quick omelet you can make. If you have leftover bacon from breakfast the day before, you have a couple slices, just throw it in there, get it heated up again. You may need to add a little bit of butter, which actually I'm going to have to do here. Doesn't look like our bacon had a whole lot of bacon fat. I am going to add a little freshly ground black pepper. With the bacon in there, that's going to have enough salt, and I did salt and pepper the eggs as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and add a little butter there. I always tend to get carried away with the veggies, but that's okay. Alright. I've got my 3 eggs here. I'm going to go ahead and just spread that in there. And as much as you can, try to resist. Don't touch it. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn it down, the temperature. We had that on a medium heat. I'm going to go ahead and turn it down to a medium low to low heat, because I really don't want to burn the bottom. What I'm doing here is just trying to get it loosened up off the pan a little bit. Now we're just going to add a little bit of cheese. I'm using some sharp cheddar. And we're just going to fold that over. And that's it. One nice beautiful omelet. Plenty of fresh veggies, a little bit of bacon. It's time to eat. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe. And come back for more delicious recipes. Keep thinking.